Once again, I'm revising that one. Already, you know what is the definition of graph. It contains some vertices and edges. The vertices are connected through the edges. That is a graph representation. In this graph, what is the closed path? Whatever the path which is present in a graph, that we can call as a closed cycle. So here we are specifying one type of cycle, but that is Hamiltonian cycle. What is Hamiltonian cycle means? We need to traverse the every vertex of the graph only once, and we need to visit the all the vertices. If there is any path is there, any cycle is there which covers all the vertices, that is from starting point to ending point. Till that ending point we need, it covers the all the vertices. That means we are visiting the all the vertices, and we are coming back to the starting point. We are coming back to the starting point, visiting the all the vertices only the once is the condition. If any cycle is present in this any graph, that we can call as a Hamiltonian cycle. Hamiltonian cycle. Visiting all the vertices in a graph only once, and it needs to, with a cycle, that is starting and ending point should be the same. And condition is visiting all the vertices only once. Only once. If any cycle is present in that graph, that type of cycle we can call as a Hamiltonian cycle. Hamiltonian cycle. So whenever they are giving any graph in your question and they are asking to find out the Hamiltonian cycle, how many Hamiltonian cycles are there, how many? So by using the backtracking technique we can apply for the feasible solutions, optimization solutions, and enumeration type of solutions. Decision making, optimization, and enumeration type of for any problem, enumeration type of problems and enumeration type of solutions you want, there we can apply the backtracking technique. This already we know because it is covered in the starting point of the second unit, so second part of the second unit. That is where we are applying the backtracking. For which type of problems we can apply? Decision type, optimization, and enumeration. By using the backtracking technique, only the one thing is how many possible solutions are there, that many possible solutions we are finding. And to find that possible solutions by using the backtracking technique, generally we will use the top-down approach of brute force approach. So here also we are using the same thing. Here application name is Hamiltonian cycle. So whatever the cycle is a closed path in a graph, that we are saying as a cycle. So if you want to find the Hamiltonian cycle means visit the all the vertices which are present in the graph at least once. At least once. And starting point and ending point should be the same, that we can call as a cycle. If there is any possible solutions are there, any possible cycles are there in this graph, that we can call as a Hamiltonian cycle. By using the backtracking technique, what we are finding here is finding all the possible solutions. Here all possible solutions means all possible Hamiltonian cycles. How many possible Hamiltonian cycles are there? That we are finding the Hamiltonian cycles here. So that is our solution here. So by saying, by looking at the graph itself, we can find the some solutions. And already we know all the solutions we generally we will represent with the state space tree. State space tree start with the one root point, there where we can start with the solution, and how many possible solutions are there, that many possible solutions we are finding by visiting the all the adjacent vertices. We are trying to visit the all the vertices only the ones, and we are coming back to this one. So like that we can find all the possible solutions. So by looking at the graph, is there any possible solutions? Anyone try? Starting point and ending point is whatever the where we are starting, that only covers two times. That means we are ending at that point. That's why we can covers, we are ending with that path, Hamiltonian cycle. So try anyone and give me the solutions. Yeah, someone already gave the solution. A, B, F, E, C, D, A. Yes, that is the one possible solution. Very nice, ma. 54. Yeah. Any other possible solutions? So 54, she gave that one possible solution is A, B, E, sorry, F, E, C, D, A. Check everyone. Is there visiting all the vertices? Is this whatever the solution she gave is visiting all the vertices only once in a graph, and starting and ending point should be the same. So this is the one possible solution, and 43 also tried one giving to give the one more possible solution. 54 she gave one more possible solution. So till this point same. So whatever the possible solutions your classmates gave, I'm writing here. D, C. So roll number 54 she gave these two solutions, and 43 she also gave some solution. Okay. Yeah. This one, okay, 43. And if you are starting point A, if you are starting and covering like this only, if you are starting B and like this same path, then no need of giving that path. We will not consider, because it is covering the same thing. Just starting point, if you are changing, means cycle will come like the same line of vertices, same travels, same path only. So don't consider this. If you are want to give the solutions from the starting point A, try to give all the solutions from the starting point of vertices A. So till now these three are you gave, and one more possible solution. 43 she also gave that one more possible solution. A, D, C, E, F, D, E, C. These are the possible solutions. So by looking at the graph itself, we got this one. But here, according to our problem, according to our technique, we need to apply the backtracking technique, and whatever the possible solutions are there, that we need to show through the by using the state space tree. So how I already told you, state space tree, how we are representing it means it is in the form of tree, and we will start with some root, that is whatever the starting point of vertices you are considering, that we can consider as a root. And everyone are trying to give the answers very nice, ma. Everyone try this one. If you are practicing this one only, you will remember that one, and for this you can easily solve this. These are the easy things only. So already some of the solutions she gave. So I'm starting with the one possible solution. To start with the to find the one possible solutions, I'm starting here to represent the solutions in the form of state space tree. So before going to the state space tree, whatever the graph they are giving in this question, by looking itself, check that is there any possible, is there any Hamiltonian cycle is there or not. If there is no Hamiltonian cycle in this, by looking itself, you can write that one. There is no Hamiltonian cycle possible by in this graph, that we can specify that. So to represent the possible solutions, is it possible we can get the possible solutions or not, by using this we can represent that one state space tree. So here I'm starting with the state space tree A. So after this, I am trying to go through this way. That is for the A, adjacent vertices A, B is there, C is there, D is there. But I am going by this way first, trying this way. So all possible solutions for this is A is from A, B path is there, one more path is there, C, one more path is there, D. So we can go through all these paths. First I am selecting according to the DFS and backtracking technique from left hand side. First I am considering the adjacent vertices, here is B. After the A, here I am considering the adjacent vertices B. After completing this way, I can go back and I can go back and I can try to find all the possible solutions. So according to the DFS technique, I am starting from this point and I am going through this way. I think simultaneously everyone try to draw the state space tree in your notebooks also simultaneously with me. So A, after that adjacent vertices is B. After that, I am trying to go through this, whatever the first solution is there, I'll try on this solution. According to this, for B also, there are 2 or 3 options are there. First, I am taking them in sequence only. A, B, C. A, B, C. Next, I am going C, D and E options are there. First, I am taking the path of D. I am trying to go through this. After that, D to A is there, D to E is there. So I want to visit all the vertices. Already A is visited. If I am not visiting this one, it will not consider as a Hamiltonian cycle. But because to find the Hamiltonian cycle from this D point, I am trying to visit the another vertex which is still now not covered. So that I am going to the E. And from this E is also three possible ways are there: C, D, F. C already visited vertices, D already visited vertices. So I am trying to go through the E, F. From E, one possible solution is F. So from this point it is F. Next, I'm checking that one. Whatever, is there any unvisited vertices? No. A is covered, B is covered, C is covered, D is covered, E is covered, F is covered. So from this point I need to go back to the A only. If I am going back to the A, then only it can consider as a Hamiltonian cycle. So from F, is there any path to going back to the first vertex? Because for A is connected to the B and E. These are all already visited vertices, and these two are not my starting point. There is no path to from F to A. So this I can consider as it is not one more possible solution, because it is not satisfying my boundary condition. What is my boundary condition? It needs to cover, start from the one vertex, it needs to cover it needs to visit all the vertices which are present in the graph, and after visiting the last vertex it needs to going back to the first vertex. Okay. But here from F to A there is no path. It is visiting all the vertices only once, that is enough, and it is last constraint, last rule is it is not satisfying. That is from the last vertex there is no path to the first vertex. So it is not a possible solution. After this, again, according to the backtracking technique, I need to try to find the one more possible solution from going back to this. So it is not satisfying. From E, is there any path with the unvisited vertices instead of F? See, from E there is there is B. For E, connectivity is there with the adjacent vertices B, C, D, F. B, C, D already covered in this path. Only the unvisited vertices F, that already we tried. But it is not giving our solution. That is not Hamiltonian cycle. From this point I am going back to E to D. And from this, is there any chance to find another possible solution? I'm checking here. Till this D, I visited already A, B, C, D. So here I am trying to find the unvisited vertices. That is, D is connected to the A and D is connected to the C, D is connected to the E. So A and C is already visited vertices in this path. So if I try to go for the unvisited vertices, that is E. So I already tried this path. So it is not giving my satisfied solution. So I am going back and trying to find the another possible solution from this vertices, So till this vertices, I covered only the two vertices A and B. I visited only the two vertices A and B. So is there any other path to find from this point? So C is connected to A, C is connected to B, C is connected to D, C is connected to E. So these two already covered in my path. Okay, I am trying to visit the another from this point. Another one is D and E. This path is also already tried. So it is not giving my possible solution. Another possible from this point is E. From this point is E. I think till this point it is clear, everyone. Till this point it is clear. First, according to the DFS, I started to find the possible solution from left hand side, and I trying to visit all the vertices in sequence. In this sequence, till this point, it is satisfying the only one condition, that is visiting all the vertices only once. It is satisfying, but last condition, last rule, it is not satisfying. From this last vertex to starting vertex, there is no path in the graph. That's why we are not considering there is it is not our possible solution. So to apply the backtracking technique, I tried from this. Is there any other possible solution? There is no possible solution. From this point also I tried. There is no possible solution according to the graph connectivity. Next I am trying from this vertices. So this one is covered. Again in second possible solution. I am trying to find the second possible solution. In this, till now what we visited? A we visited, B we visited, C we visited. Now E we visited. From this point to I am trying to visit the unvisited vertices. Is there any path? I am checking. From E there is three connectivities. B is there, D is there, F is there. B is there, D is there, F is there. So from E, I am trying to visit the unvisited vertices. From this point, these 2 points I need to check. So from first I am selecting the D. I am selecting the D here. A, B, C already covered, C already covered. So in D and F, I am selecting first D. So from the, again I need to go for the unvisited. Is there any unvisited vertices in the graph? F is only the unvisited vertices. A, B, C, E and D covered. F is only the unvisited vertices. I am trying to visit the F from the D. Is there any path from the F from the D, D from the F? So there is no path. So I cannot visit. If I trying to visit from D is already visited vertices, it is not covering the one more vertex which is present in the graph. So we can say it is also not satisfying the boundary conditions. So it is also not my possible solution. It is not my possible solution here. So again, to find the possible solution, what is our applying technique here? Backtracking technique. So according to the backtracking technique, I need to go back and try to find the, is there any possible solution. So from this point, I am going back to the A. I am going back to the E. Is there any unvisited vertices from this point? E, C, D, F. From E, connectivity is there. C, D, F. C already visited. D I already tried. So from this point, unvisited vertices till this point is I am finding only the one here. So I will try to go through this one. So A, B, C, E and F is covered in all the vertices in this graph. Remaining unvisited vertices is D. Is there any path from F to D to visit this one? So there is no direct path from F to D. F to D. So this is also not satisfying my boundary condition. Not satisfying my boundary condition. I am unable to visit the another vertex which is present in the graph to find the Hamiltonian cycle. So this is also a not possible solution. This is also a not possible solution. This is also not a possible solution. Again, we need to apply the backtracking technique to find the one more possible solution. So till this point, from A to B, C, D, E, these three paths we tried to find the possible solution. These three are not satisfying the constraints to find the Hamiltonian cycle. So these are all not possible solutions only. Again, we need to apply the backtracking technique. Again, we need to apply the backtracking technique. Try to find the possible solution. Till this point, we covered backtracking application of backtracking technique. From this point also, we are not finding. Again, go back to the B. From B, we can try to find the any other possible solution. So check further to find out the any further possible solution. Check further from B. So here from B, B is connected to A, C, E, F. A is already visited one from this point. A is already visited one, and C, E, F. These three are possible solutions. C, after B, trying to visit the C. All possible solutions we tried. We didn't get any solution here till this point. So I need to try another option in the sequences after the B. B is connected to A already covered, C already covered. So I am taking here path from B directing E. So A, B, E. A, B, E. I'm trying to find the one more unvisited vertices from this point to find the our Hamiltonian cycle. To find the our Hamiltonian cycle. So A, B is covered. From this E, how many E is connected to the B, C, D and F. B already we covered. So we need to try any three of this C, D or F. First, I am trying to find. I am trying in sequence manner. That's why I am trying to visit the C here. I am trying to visit the C. So A, B, E, C covered. From C, what are the connectivities are there? A is connected, D is connected, E is connected. In this, A already visited one, E already visited one. Only the option remaining is I need to visit only from C to D. So now it is covered A, B, E, C and D. And is there any unvisited vertices in this graph to visit this to find the Hamiltonian cyclist? F. Is there any connectivity from D to F directly? There is no path from D to F to visit that vertex. So it is also not satisfying the boundary condition, visiting all the vertices. So it is also a not possible solution. It is also a not possible solution. Again, according to the backtracking technique, I am going back. I'm going back from D to E, B to C. Is there any other path from C? Only the one unvisited vertices till this point is B only. There is no possible way to find or to try to find another possible solution. So from this point, I am going back to the E. So E, for this E, from A, B and E covered, and the E is connected to the three unvisited vertices C and D and F. C already covered. So in sequence, I am trying to cover the B to D option. I am trying to cover the D option from here. So A, B, E, D are visited. From this point again, I am trying to visit the unvisited vertices. So till D is connected to A, already visited vertices. D is connected to E, already visited vertices. 2 is connected to C. In this path, C is unvisited vertex. From D to C, there is connectivity. So I am trying to visit this. So this is one point. So after this, only within this graph, only unvisited vertices is F. And is there any path from C to F? There is no connectivity from the C to F. So we cannot visit from C to directly F. So it is also not satisfying the boundary. So this is also not possible. Again, I need to go back to find the one more possible solution. Already with the E, three parts are there, C, D, E. C, D, F. C already I covered, D already I covered. So I am trying to find the one more possible solution with the F. F. E to F. So in this way, A, B, E, F. A, B, E, F. A, B, E, F. So A, E, F. F, from this point again I need to try to visit the unvisited vertices. F is connected to only the B and E. B and E already covered. So it is also not possible solution from this point. There is no connectivity to the unvisited vertices from B, F. So it is also a not possible. So from E, all these are covered. So there is no three options we covered. It is not giving the possible solution. According to the backtracking technique, I need to go for the B once again. Is there any possible solution from this B? B is connected to till this point. A is visited vertices. From A, B is there. B is also visited. From B, I am trying to visit the unvisited vertices. To visit the unvisited. B is connected to C, E, F. C already we tried. E is also we already tried. Till now we didn't find any possible solution. Now I am trying to visit from B directly here. Is there any possible solutions from this point? I am trying to find the possible solutions. So in this path, it covers only the A vertex, B vertex and F. Now we are at the F. From F, what are the F to F, what are the adjacent vertices B and E only. In this B already we visited. Unvisited vertices from F is only the possibility E. So I am trying to visit it here. I am trying to visit it. Here is from F to E. Again, we need to find the from E. Is there any possible way is there to find the unvisited? E is connected to B. E is connected to F. These two are already visited, and E is connected to C and D also. So I can go for any option. So I am trying to try to travel in sequence. So I am choosing this after E. One more thing is C. So now it covers A, B, F, E, C. From C, try to visit another unvisited vertices in the graph. So in this graph, C is connected to the A, it is already visited. C is connected to the B, already visited. C is connected to the E, already visited. C is also connected to the D. So it is not, until now, it is not visited. So I am connecting from C to directly D. So it covers after this. D is connected to the A, it is already visited. D is connected to C, already visited. D is connected to already visited. And checking further, is there any other vertex which is still now not visited in graph? Check further. A visited in this path, B visited in this path, C visited in this path, E visited in this one, F in this way, visited D on in this way. So, is there any connectivity from the last vertex to the first vertex? Yes, it is having the connectivity from last vertex to the first vertex in graph. So, this I can call as my possible solution. One possible solution. This is one Hamiltonian cycle. What is the find the Hamiltonian cycle? What is the definition? Visit all the vertices in a graph, only the ones, and going back to the starting vertex. Going back to the starting vertex. That type of cycle we can call as a Hamiltonian cycle. So whatever the possible solution by using the state space tree we find till now is only the one possible solution. Only the one possible solution. This is one possible solution. So this one we covered. Again, to find the another possible solutions. So this is one possible solution. Everyone got this point? Understood now? How we are applying? Same technique we are applying from the last three applications. This is the fourth application. The same backtracking technique we are applying to find the possible solutions. So NPINs also to draw the state space tree, we applied the backtracking technique. I think how to go back and how to find the remaining possible solutions already I think you are in the way only. I think you understood. Someone gave me answer. Yes, ma'am. Yes. Till this point, everyone is clear now. So after trying all these possible solutions, till now I got only the one possible solution. By looking at the graph itself, I got the four possible solution. Still, I am into one possible solution only. So by using the backtracking technique, what is our backtracking technique thing is find all the possible solutions. So I need to find the remaining possible solutions also. To find the remaining possible solutions, what is the technique we are applying here? Backtracking technique. So to find the one more possible solution, go for backtrack. So already we covered this one with the C, D, A. Is clear now? Ma'am? Okay. A, B, E, F, F, E, C, D, A we covered. We got this possible solution. We need to find the remaining possible solutions. So I'm going back here. So already A is my first vertex. Okay. From D, there is no unvisited vertices because this one only the last vertex in my graph in this path. So I'm going back to the C. From this point, is there any possible solution? So if you look at the graph and see, look at the graph and see, is there any possible solution here? AD only. So this one also there is no possible solution. C, D, E, F. So in this only the one unvisited vertices from C, D that already we covered and we got the possible solution. So I'm going back here. So E till this point what we covered A, B, F, E. A, B, F, E. So in this way we are covered. From E, how many unvisited vertices it is E connected to C and D. So to C I already covered. From E to C I already covered. So A, B, E, F, C already covered. And I want to find the one more possible solution with this path. Is there any possible solution out there? So I am now A, B, F, E is covered. From E I am trying to connect with the D instead of C because C already covered. So now in this graph, A visited, B visited, F visited, E visited, D visited. Is there any vertex, unvisited vertex in this path means A, B, F, E, D, C. C is unvisited vertex till this point. So is there any connectivity from D to C? Yes, there is connectivity. So here I am having the path. So now all the vertices which are in the graph is visited. A, B, E, F, E, C, A, B, F, E, D, C. All the vertices which are in the graph are visited. So now I need to go back to the starting point. What is my starting point here? Is there any path from this point to starting path? Yes, I'm having starting pointer from this point to this. So this also I can consider one more possible solution. One more possible solution. So here, this one also one more possible solution. So to find the remaining possible solutions, I need to go back. With the B, we already covered all the possible, try to find all the possible solution with the B. So again after the B, where I am going? With the B, all the possible solutions, B, A, C, E, F. So B is connected to C, we covered, B is connected to E, covered, B is connected to F, we already covered. According to the backtracking technique, go back to A. From A, with A is connected to B, C, A is connected to B, C, D. With the B, we already covered and we got the two possible solutions. So we need to go back through and apply the technique from this point. Where is this? To write this and just erasing this one. So try to find another possible solution with the same. With the same. So for this graph, now only the visited vertices till now here is A and C. A and C. So from C, what are the possible solutions are there and what are the connected? C is connected to A, already visited one. C is connected to B, C is connected to E. In this, these two are unvisited vertices. So I am trying to visit the unvisited vertices which will start in the sequences from C. So what are the visited vertices till now? A, C, B. From B, it is connected to A, already visited. It is connected to C, already visited. B is connected to E and also B is connected to F. So first I will try in sequence B with the E. B with the E. From E, it is connected to C, it is connected to D, it is connected to F. If I try with this F, from F to find the unvisited vertices, there is no path because it is connected to B, only these two are visited. So it is not satisfying my condition. It is not a possible solution. So from E, again I need to go back instead of F. If I can go for the another vertex, so I can go here. E is connected to B, already visited. E is connected to F, it is already tried. So I can go for this. E is connected to C. So this is unvisited vertex. Sorry, this is also already visited one. This path it is already visited one. From E it is already. So I can go. I will not go. I cannot go for this way also. So from E unvisited vertices here till now is here. So in this graph A, C, B, E, D is covered. Is there any another vertex which is not till now covered? Is yeah. Is there any path from D to F? There is no connectivity from D to F. So this is also not a possible solution. Again, backtracking technique. Go back. From this, there is only the two options. E, B is already visited. B with the F, we already tried. B, E, C is already visited. E with the D, already covered. So go back. From this point, is there any option? Yes. Till this point, A, C we covered from this point. A, C connectivity is covered. And B is connected to E. This already I tried. So now I want to try with the another one. So now visited vertices here till this point is A, C, D, E, O. From F, is there any connectivity to unvisited vertices? From F, only the two paths are there, it is B and E. B already we covered in this path. So I need to visit the unvisited vertices from E. Option is there for me, E. So till this point it covered A, C, B, F and E. From this, I need to visit the unvisited vertices. E is connected to C, E is connected to F, C is already visited one, F is already visited one, E is having the connectivity with the D, which is not till now visited. So I can connect it to the D here. A, C, D, E, F, F, E and D. Is covering all the vertices? Yes. Which is present in the graph, it is covered all the vertices A, C, B, E, F, E, D. So after covering all the vertices, we need to go back to the first vertex. First vertex is A. Is there any path to first vertex? Yes. From D to A, it is the connected. So I can visit this. So I can consider this one is also one of my possible solution. This can also, I can consider this one also one my possible solution. So what is the possible solution here which covered here is? So we got this one also. Again, is there any other possible solution with this? To find that one, again we need to apply the backtracking technique. With the B, what are the connectivities are they?